So we're going to look at curvature some more and talk about other formulas for curvature. So the problem with our previous formula is that we need our arc length parameter S, which means there's really an extra step in our calculation. So there's another way for you to find curvature, kappa. There are two ways that I'll give right here. So the first is it's t prime of t over the magnitude of r prime of t. Or another way you can compute curvature is it's the magnitude of r prime cross r double prime over the magnitude of r prime cubed. So these are our alternative formulas for curvature, and we're going to put them into use right now on the following example. So we want to find the curvature of the curve given by r of t will be 2ti plus t squared j minus 1/3 t cubed k. So to compute this one, we're going to use our formulas up here, and let's use this second formula. So I need r prime and I need r double prime. So let's find r prime. R prime will be 2i plus 2tj minus t squared k. And I also need r double prime, a second derivative, so I get 0i, I get 2j minus 2tk. And then I need to compute the cross product of these two vectors. So I need, well, I'm also going to need the magnitude of r prime, so let's go ahead and find that first. The magnitude of r prime is the square root of 2 squared plus 2t squared plus a negative t squared squared. So the magnitude would be, this is 4 plus 4t squared plus t to the 4th. Let's rewrite this in descending order. And then this will factor into t squared plus 2 and t squared plus 2. So in the end, this becomes t squared plus 2. So now let's find the cross product of r prime cross r double prime. So here we're going to have I, j, k. And now let's write our vector r prime, which was this vector right here. So 2, 2t, and a negative t squared. And now let's write the vector r double prime, which is right here. So 0i, 0, 2, negative 2t. Yep. And now we're going to compute the cross product here. So we're going to get minus t squared to minus 2ti plus a minus, put in a minus here, minus 20 minus t squared minus 2tj plus 20, 2t, and 2k. So here I'm getting negative 4t squared minus a negative, so it'll be plus 2t squared, a negative 4t, 4j, and a positive 4k. So it looks like we're going to get a negative 2t squared I plus 4tj plus 4k. And I need the magnitude of this vector here. So I need the magnitude of r prime cross r double prime. So the magnitude would be negative 2t squared squared plus 4t squared plus 4 squared. So we're getting 4t to the 4th plus 16t squared plus 16. If I factor out a 4, that'll become a 2. T to the 4th plus 4t squared plus 4, which we already simplified that before. It's equal to t squared plus 2. Right, we had that before. T squared plus 2. All right, so now we're ready to use our formula for curvature. It's the magnitude of r prime cross r double prime over the magnitude of r prime cubed. So here we had 2t squared plus 2, and then the magnitude of r prime, if we look back, the magnitude of r prime was just this t squared plus 2. So it'll be that thing cubed. So it looks like we get 2 over the magnitude, or sorry, 2 over t squared plus 2 squared. So there is our formula for the curvature, kappa. It's 2 over t squared plus 2 squared. Now, we didn't use that other formula, so for the next video, we're going to repeat this problem, but we're going to use the other formula for curvature that we didn't use here.